Hello everyone, this is my first video on TDF automation on knowledge base. First of all, please share, subscribe my channel and often do not forget to comment on this channel. Let's start the first video on TDF automation. Uh, when you think about a machine, first automata or automatic. First, we have to understand that whatever we study in automata is related to some machine. So we have different kind of problems, problem, and it is solved by some machine. The machine which I am talking about just a theoretical model of a physical interpretation. Machines. Model of physical interpretation. So what kind of let's suppose for example we have coffee making machine. So if we think about the processes like what are the input of the machines we have? Water, coffee. So if we provide these are the inputs. So our machine needs different types of input. It processes it and then provides output that is output. Okay. Similarly, we can uh, think about a digital uh, any device like counter. Sorry, counter. Using machine models in automata, we can verify whether our machine is working as expected or not. So these are the responsibility of a machine, and theoretically we can verify different kind of designs or physical systems with our mathematical model is available in automation. Now, there are different kinds of machine, for example, available in automata is non-deterministic finite automata, then come deterministic finite automata, then come PT, push down automata, then come Turing machine. Apart from that, we have another important part of Turing automation is formal language. What is it all about? In formal language, we actually simulate all the behavior of languages, and we decide whether this particular arrangement of alphabets or something is part of this language or not. So main objective of formal language is to find test any word or any sentence which belong to that language or yet this language is properly defined with mathematical model. So next video we will discuss NFA, then how to convert NFA to DFA. These are the most important part of the theory of automation and also pillar for further study in a theory of automation.